Okay, everybody, it's been about 2 hours, and I let it chill for about that period of time, and then I cut it into 8 individual pieces. And the first one's always the hardest to get out. Usually it'll pop right up. You can also put these in individual containers if you like. Makes it a lot easier where you don't have to scoop it out like so. So let's do a quick taste. Oh yeah. That is rich, creamy. Got a little bit of a fluffy side to it, so it's real nice and whipped. If you've ever had like whipped yogurt, it is exactly that. And you can try this with key lime, piece wedges, and the lime sugar-free jello. It is really good as well. So hope you guys try this out, enjoy it. Let me know what you think. And I hope to see you all soon. Have a good day.